So good morning students. So last class we discussed function of ECG. So this class we are going to discuss about function of EEG. So the EEG uses highly conductive silver chloride coated with silver chloride and gold cup electrode to obtain accurate measures. So it has two techniques, monopolar technique and bipolar technique. In monopolar technique, the use of one active recording electrode placed on area of interest, a reference electrode in an inactive area underground. So in bipolar technique, the use of two active electrode on areas of interest. So this slide shows the sodium potassium pump. So the mechanism within neurons that creates action potentials through the exchange between sodium and potassium ions in and out of the cell. Thus making the outside of the cell membrane positively, so it has more positively charged and the neuron negatively charged. The rapid ionic movement causes of the release of action potentials. So this is a EEG wave, that is alpha wave. So characteristics frequency 8 to 13 Hz, amplitude 20 to 60 microvolt. So easily produced when quietly sitting in relaxed position with eyes closed. A few people have trouble producing alpha waves. So alpha blockade occurs with mental activity. So expectations found by, in the case of mental arithmetic and goal putting. So this is a waveform of alpha wave. So this one is beta wave. So characteristics frequency 14 to 30 Hz and amplitude 2 to 20 microvolt. So the most form of brain waves are present during mental thought and activity. So this slide shows the beta waves. Next is theta waves. So characteristics frequency 4 to 7 Hz, amplitude 20 to 100 microvolt. So believed to be more common in children than adults. So water study found these waves to be related to displeasure, pleasure and drowsiness. So this slide shows the delta waves. So the characteristics is frequency 5 to 3.5 Hz and amplitude is 20 to 200 microvolt. So found during periods of deep sleep in most people, characteristic by very irregular and slow wave patterns. Also useful in detecting tumors and abnormal brain behaviors. and gamma waves. So characteristics: frequency 36 to 44 hertz, amplitude 3 to 5 microvolt. So occur with sudden sensory stimuli. Next, sleep and the EEG. Different stages of sleep and their respective brain waves. Stage 1, low voltage random ECG activity. Stage 2, irregular EEG pattern, negative positive spikes. Stage 3, alternative fast activity, low high voltage waves and high amplitude delta waves or slow waves. So the last stage is delta waves. So here REM, rapid eye movement. So all stages combined but not including REM or stages that may contain REM. So this is a EEG brainwaves in the sleep cycle. Awake, calm, stage 1, stage 2, stage 1 theta wave, stage 2 sleep spindleness and complexes, third stage 3 and 4 delta waves and REM sleep. So this is a position of electrodes. So you have placed the electrodes in the head movement. So where we have to place the electrodes in the head. So this is the position of the electrode. So here left ear A2, A1 left ear, A2 right ear, FP frontal pole leads and F parental leads, P parietal leads, and C for central leads, T for sepal leads and O for occipital leads. So this is a waveform of EEG1. So here F means frontal lobe, C means central lobes, P means parietal lobe, O means occipital lobes. So here we are placing the electrodes in the heads and take the signal using electrodes and it will process then find out the patient condition. So that's all about function of EEG. So thank you.